Okay, welcome back. Now, the two we've done so far had all whole numbers. Let's come over to this one, because everybody's going to think that writes textbooks that that's too easy to give you everything with whole numbers. So they're going to give you some stuff you got to simplify. They might give you something like this. And put theta down here, and then say write the 6 trig functions. Oh boy. So did they even give me the hypotenuse? No. Not yet. We got to go find it, or we can't write any of these ratios at all. Okay? So of course we use, this is the slow way. I'll teach you the fast way in a minute. So I got to do 12 squared plus 36 squared equals c squared. Well, boy, this looks like fun, doesn't it? Well, that was 144. Of course, everybody knows that 36 squared is 1296, and that's equal to c squared. Let's add 144. You should be writing. That's 10. 14, 2, 3, 4, 1440. Take square root of both sides. And we got 1440 right there. Okay, so it looked like this if you're using your calculator. You can use your calculator on this if you're doing it the slow way. So you know what? Seems like to me that would have to be 144 times 10, correct? What's the square root of 144? What is it? 12. Take a 12 out, 12 root 10. So my hypotenuse was 12 root 10, and this is the slow way. Now when you do the slow way, the issue is going to be simplifying the radical. Even the fast way, it's possible that the radical needs to get simplified. But we can do one of these a whole lot better if we go fast and use the greatest common factor. So this is the largest number that divides into 12 and 36. What is it? The biggest number? 12. Very good. So just write 12 in front of a radical. That's all you got to do. Whatever the greatest common factor is, it goes right there. Now, look over here. How many times does 12 go into 12? So write 1 squared. How many times does 12 go into 36? 3. Write 3 squared. 9 plus 1, 10. 12 root 10. You'll get to the same spot as we got over here with a whole lot less trouble. So the greatest common factor is always, it winds up hopping out in front of the radical. So my suggestion is just let it hop out there. And now I know the 3 sides. This one's opposite theta. That's the hypotenuse. This one is adjacent to theta. Okay, so now let's write our, come down here someplace and write Sohcahtoa, sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant. Skip some space. We're going to have to simplify some. You'll need the room. Secant, cotangent. Then the opposite is 12. hypotenuse is 12 root 10. The adjacent is 36. The hypotenuse is 12 root 10. The tangent is 12 over 36. And then just start reducing them and flipping them. Look right here, the 12s go away, so that one is 1 over root 10. Please flip it, root 10 over 1. Let's see, that goes in there 3. This one is 3 over root 10. Flip it, root 10 over 3. And we would stop right here. By the way, we're fixing to change this because we're not supposed to let radicals live in the bottom. So please flip it before you rationalize. To rationalize it, you're just going to do root 10 over root 10. This one winds up being root 10 over 10. This one is 3 root 10 over 10. All the others were okay, and we're over and out on that one.